With so many chat apps vying for your attention, how do you choose the right one? You'll obviously be swayed by how many of your contacts you can reach with the platform, and smart voicemail service Libon just added Open Chat to its free apps, which lets users send text messages, pictures, audio, location data and more to any of their contacts, no matter what messaging service they use.
Did you get my text?
This open system has the big bonus that your contacts won't be plagued by sign-up requests from the service in order for you to message them. They can even see it in a web browser if they don't have a smartphone. For contacts also using Libon, you'll get free HD voice calls on 3 and 4G and wireless, although do remember your service provider might charge you for data when not on Wi-Fi.
There are so many other options in this space, we could be here all day, so I'll just pick out the highlights. With Facebook forking out over $19 billion for it recently, WhatsApp has to get a mention. It lets users send free text, image, voice, video and location data to other WhatsApp users. As with all of these app-to-app services, it'll trawl through your contacts to identify people you can connect with when you first install it. The king of the multimedia chat apps in Asia is WeChat, with around 250 million users. Again, free on all leading platforms with similar features to WhatsApp, but including voice and video calls already. This app also uses QR codes to add contacts and set up group chats, which is an important feature for those writing in Chinese-style languages, which use thousands of characters rather than the Latin alphabet the Western QWERTY keyboard is optimised for. Another popular cross-platform service is Kik, with features similar to WhatsApp and WeChat. One big difference, though, is that you don't need to share your personal details to send a message, like phone number or email address. Instead, you create a username, so it's perfect for connecting with people you might not want to be in contact with forever, like on holiday or through a dating site.
For an alternative in the private messaging lineup, there is also BBM, now available on iOS and Android, as well as Blackberry handsets. And you share a PIN number rather than your personal information. As well as the privacy benefits, you might also find a lot of your friends are using this app, as it had over 75 million users before Blackberry ran into troubles a few years ago.
If you are a total privacy freak, then Telegram Messenger is one app that's been gaining a lot of traction lately. Messages between users are free and private, and because of the distributed server setup, they're fast too.
It's early days for this app, so only the iOS and Android versions are official, and the likelihood is none of your contacts will be on it yet. But as it is an open API project, meaning the source code to build compatible apps and add-ons is freely available for other developers, there are a lot of unofficial builds coming online for other smartphones and even a desktop client.
You can also initiate a secret chat, which heavily encrypts messages user to user with a unique key to avoid interception by hackers or government snoops, and prevents the other chatter from forwarding messages.